AI is no longer an alternative for small businesses or even for medium or large size businesses. In a world where AI is no longer just a shiny object or a tool, here are 5 things that you need to consider when implementing AI in your business, or if you're thinking about implementing AI in your business. AI is quietly moving from assistant to operator. It's no longer just sorting your email, but actually doing things for you and taking care of entire departments in your behalf. So, the new era of solopreneurs has definitely just begun. Enterprise levels are embedding AI into their core operations. That means that there are entire departments that solely depend on AI. So if you think that AI is an option for your business, for your small business, a mom and pop shop, you're entirely mistaken. This is like when websites started coming around. If you don't have a website, you're no longer valid. It loses credibility. AI is here to stay and to move forward our society and our business. So if you're thinking that this is an option, it's not. You will be out of business very shortly because your competitors will be using AI. The second wave of AI creation. The second wave of AI is creation, not cost cutting. So we are looking into AI as a creative form, um, creating leads, creating operations, creating sales, creating opportunities. And there's a whole lot of departments that are entirely depending on AI. So this is not just a cost cutting solution, but a whole actually creation solution at this point. The real competitive gap is forming right now. So if you think, again, if you think that you'll survive without using AI, you will find out differently very soon. This is actually moving faster than the website era. Um, the changes that we have seen on AI are leaps and bounds daily. So the sooner that you start, the better that you are. Is going to cost you longer down the road if you wait for AI to be different. Um, is not only in most cases is not only an affordable way because it's actually cheaper than higher human resources, but it's the only alternative in which you'll be able to survive without a huge budget. And what should small business owners actually do this week? Um, Instead of asking what the latest tools are, uh, question yourself. Like, actually take an inventory of what you are actually doing manually and where is costing you time. Everything that you're doing manually that is repetitive, very repetitive, there's an AI solution for it. So make sure that you're taking inventory and actually writing down how much time are you spending on following up, on routing inquiries, on qualifying leads, on sending reminders, on copying and pasting data, on approving tiny decisions, which all of these should be already automated. And remember, the last thing remember is that AI needs a path and a lane. It needs infrastructure. If you don't have standard operating procedures in an infrastructure, no matter how fancy the AI that you buy, is not going to help you the way that you think. So if you need any help with any of that, just send me a DM. Bye.